Morning Yoga Stretch, a beginner's guide to home practice. Welcome to your morning journey of rejuvenation and energy through daily yoga stretching, tailored just for beginners right at home. As the sun rises, we begin with a gentle warm-up, rolling our shoulders back and taking deep, awakening breaths, setting a calm pace. Transitioning into our first pose, the mountain pose, we plant our feet firmly, reaching our arms towards the sky, stretching upwards, embracing the day. Next, we gracefully flow into the forward bend, hinging at the hips, letting our head hang, feeling the stretch along our spine. We then move to the cat-cow stretch, on all fours, alternating between arching our back and dipping it down, inviting flexibility. Our sequence continues with the child's pose, sitting back on our heels, stretching our arms forward, a moment of serene introspection. We conclude our morning practice with the corpse pose, lying down, letting go of all tension, fully absorbing the peace and energy for the day.